Good day everyone, welcome to TikTok. I'm your host Gonzalez. In this episode, we'll talk about something that affects almost every student, the impact of social media on mental health. To help us understand more, we have JV, a psychology student who studies online behavior. Hi JV, thank you for joining us.
Hi Gonzalez, thanks for inviting me. It's great to be here and talk about this important topic.
So let's start JB. How does social media affect students mentally?
Well, Alex, social media has both positive and negative effects. On the positive side, it helps students to connect, share ideas, and even learn new things. But when it used too much, it can lead to anxiety, stress, and low self-esteem, especially when students start comparing themselves to others online.
Many students scroll for hours and sometimes they feel left out when they see others having perfect lives online.
Exactly. What we see on social media is often just highlights, not the full story. People usually post their best moment, so it's easy to think everyone else is doing better than you.
So what are some signs that social media affect might be affecting someone's mental health?
Good question. Some signs include always checking your phone, feeling sad or anxious after scrolling, or comparing yourself constantly. It, if social media makes you feel bad about yourself, that's a red flag.
That's something many of us can relate to now. Time for game show, but let's take a break. Bye!
Okay, Sparky, let's try this one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now,
Welcome back everyone. We're going to start our first round, which is true or false. First question, JV. Is social media does have positive effect on student?
False. Too much use can cause anxiety or stress.
Yes, social media can connect people, but overusing social media can harm mental health. Breaking from social media can improve your focus and mood.
That's true.
Breaking from social media, many students can recharge mentally and connect through society. So let's do fast talks. You say good or bad, okay? Comparing yourself to influencers.
Bad.
Taking digital breaks.
Good.
Following positive pages.
Good.
Checking your phone every minute.
Bad.
Good job, you have perfect scores. Wow, great.